Hello, my name is Conor and I completed the Combilift traineeship in 2019. I first heard about the traineeship through my secondary school when the tutors came in and promoted the traineeship. They talked a lot about the practical side of the course, and after that I thought that suited me down to the ground. The traineeship consisted of a theory and a practical side. The theory we learned in Monaghan Institute and the practical we carried out here in the factory in Combilift. What I found very beneficial of this system was that I could put the theory into place when I was out here in the factory and really helped me understand the theory that the tutors were teaching us in the college when I could see it in front of my eyes out in the factory. In the traineeship there's different modules, and for each module you have different assignments. Them assignments, some can be, well, I found trickier than others, but once I put my mind to it and with the help of the tutors, I got through them assignments, no bother. My favourite modules was hydraulics and engineering because it was more practical side. I found hydraulics very interesting because you got to learn about the different parts in the machine and how they can lift such heavy weights. My favourite part of the work placement was the practical side of things and also meeting new people throughout the factory. When you first start in the factory on your first placement, I found it very beneficial that you had a group of friends from the traineeship who was in the same boat as you, first starting off, big factory, like they knew what you were going through as well, so you weren't alone, if you know what I mean. And when I completed the whole course, after doing several placements throughout the factory, I knew a lot of people through the factory, so easing into the factory after I did the traineeship was very, very easy, very comfortable in my opinion. When I completed the traineeship, I was put into the testing area of the factory. I first started off finishing machines. This consisted of taking the machine off the tester. I'd then clean the machine, touch it up and fix minor faults. After this, I would send the machine out to dispatch ready to deliver to our customers worldwide. After finishing machines for a certain amount of time, this gave me confidence to go on and test the machine fully by myself. I found my work colleagues out in testing very helpful as they eased me into the testing process, and I learned a lot of skills off them as well. I'd advise anyone to do this traineeship if they have an interest in engineering, and also if they aren't sure what they want to do after they leave secondary school. The course gives you great insight to both the theory and practical side of engineering.